way.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? Viral Hitmaker here, and today I want to show you guys how to get your music heard. Now, if you like most artists we work with, then you may be struggling to get people to listen to your music. Here's 8 things that you can start doing today to advance your music career. Number 1, create your image. Build a unique image that showcases your personality in a way that people can connect with. You want to magnify your strengths and find out what people like about you, and then highlight it. Number 2, get on social media. Get profiles on Facebook, Twitter, and any other popular social networking site. Use these profiles to showcase your personality and let people know what's going on with your music. Number 3, make a demo. Your demo will be your calling card. You don't need many songs on this. You'll give it out at shows and venues so people will remember you. If your demo isn't good quality, people will think you're an amateur. Make sure your demo has a cover that reflects your personality. Number 4, put your songs on music sites. Get your music on YouTube, SoundCloud, iTunes, and any other streaming service that will help you market your music. These sites are great places to get discovered by new fans as well. If you need help with this, click the link below in the description and I can help guide you. Number 5, play as much as you can. Get comfortable playing in front of a crowd. You'll likely have to play a lot of non-paying gigs before you can land any paying ones. Number 6, create a show. Plan out your live show. You want to make sure you have a great stage presence to go along with your music. So find out what you can do to make your show more engaging. Number 7, meet people. Talk to people who enjoy your show and show them where they can find your music. You may even meet people who have skills and can help you further your career. Getting your music heard is all about connecting with people who want to support you anyways. Number 8, invest in yourself. Nobody's gonna invest in you if you don't invest in yourself, so you may need to make some sacrifices if you really want to succeed. You might have to eat some ramen noodles for a few weeks, or skip out on the club, or quit smoking or drinking, whatever. Look, you're a nobody right now. No one is gonna put you on anymore. If you want to learn a faster way to get your music heard, we are giving access to a music promotion campaign that will guide you step by step and give you the keys that has taken most artists on the come up from 0 to 100 real quick. Click the link in the description and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.